All right, let's remove some more AIS components. The main component of that system is right here. And then also, if you swing around this way, we have a charcoal canister living here. All this stuff has to come off at this point. Since we are eliminating all of these components, the bike will have to be used in non-public road situations, such as closed course competition or track day use. And this enables us to get a lot of this stuff out of here. What I'd like to do is remove this one-way valve off of our aerator hose. Route it back in there. This can just be routed in through here. Still does its job. It's still routed or can be connected to our tank. But at this time, we've taken off this component that's part of the canister package. This wire here, I'm sorry, this hose here, it actually goes to, splits into two underneath the throttle bodies. Right down here, just took it off here. There's another connection. This is meant to suck back the fumes from the charcoal canister into the intake tract. This is also being eliminated. Our AIS block-off system has caps that go over these two nipples, so no worries there. And get in here with pliers, remove this clamp from this hose. Once we dislodge that hose, the AIS pump comes off. Put that to the side. You can focus on the valve cover. Let's put all this stuff to the side. There is a plate here with reeds in it. Please notice this stud that comes out of it. Pull up on it, flip it over. Notice the reeds. I'm going to remove these 4 screws here. All this stuff comes out. And it is quite dirty, so can't actually wipe it before we move forward. Use denatured alcohol or whatever your solvent of choice is, or you could just knock the grime off of it. More stuff will collect on this soon after you replace it, so no big deal there. Also be removing these components from the inside. Those are unnecessary at this point. So when I showed you this component that sits in there with the stud up, I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to point it down. And I'm going to put it back in there. I'm going to reuse it because it has a nice seal on it. Now we're going to grab our TST Industries WORX plate, superimpose it over this hole, set up here on top of our valve cover. And these are the two caps that I was talking about. Come with the kit for AIS block off. These go over the nipples under here on the throttle body.